Yo, so I finally got a BROLY, Super Saiyan BROLY, and this thing's fire. I just don't even know how official this thing is. I found it on Amazon, and I had to get it because lately I've been trying to grab more of the realistic versions of my figures versus, I'm always copping my Pop Funkos versus these, from Baki. I got Yujiro, Hanayama right there, of course, and the homie Baki, but I had to get a DBZ character in, and this is the homie BROLY. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, see what's really going on and how the details are on this, because I don't know if this is official and licensed. If it is, somebody in the comment section let me know. I don't know if any of these tags are official. I'm not really the biggest toy connoisseur or statues, whatever the case, you know what I'm saying? These are my first few that I've ever had, and these were accidental purchases. I didn't think it would come in 3. It was Baki, of course, and these 2, and I really just wanted Yujiro, but Baki and the homie Hanayama came through, or Koru. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. Let me find somewhere I can peel this easy. It's got tape over it, so I'm gonna have to mount this camera actually. Get this ready. Set this up over here. Do a quick, easy situation here. Okay. Make some room. The perfect angle. We are in the game. Turn Lupe down a little bit. Any one of y'all heard that new Samurai album by Lupe Fiasco? I don't know who's really a hip hop person in here or not, but really rock with Lupe. They seal this thing up with tape. I really almost wanted to just leave this in the box, kind of like the homie, the ogre back there. Yujiro, I wasn't gonna open it. I don't plan on opening it, but you never know. Maybe I want to see that thing one day, and just want to keep it in the box. It looks better that way. It's the mystique of it all. I'm sure the details on that thing is crazy because I like the, the Koru here, but Baki's alright. I'm not disappointed by it. Baki's details. Just a little, underwhelming. Not what I expected it to be. Peel that off. One more. I'm sorry, I'm one of those people that really cares about the box. I don't like to destroy my boxes, storage reasons. That's the reason why I never open my Funkos. But unfortunately, my Funko Pops are starting to get fried from the sun coming through this window. It's very, very annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But let's see. Okay. Oh, I gotta build them. I did not think I had to build them. Okay, that's cool. This over here. Alright. So comes in 3 pieces, as you can see. You know what would be cool is if I just segue this video into talking about more of the Funko Pop collection that I have. This is the stand. Thing looks cool. Yeah, I'm gonna segue right into I don't like fighting anything that's too sensitive or might be broken, because you can of course do some damage to your stuff. So I'm over here trying to peel this thing open. No thanks. I'm gonna carefully open everything. Besides Amazon, it's my people, so I don't like playing around with the whole idea of returning something on my behalf because I broke it. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, I would have been dope to have this thing built, but I think they wanted the quality to be preserved and just the whole idea of you building it, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all piece by piece as far as the details on the homie BROLY here. Stuff that in there. So here's the head. Dope details. He's on point. So this is a really good quality piece for real. I'm not even gonna lie. That's the body, the upper, and he's going to be pretty much in the same stance right here when I do build him. Hopefully everything works out just fine. I wonder if any glue or anything is needed. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this right here while I'm at it. I'm really excited to put this together. I'm nervous about this. I've never really built anything before. This is a first, so y'all are witnessing. Oh, that's firm. It's nice and snug. It's flush on there. See that? It's not going anywhere. That's cool. Okay. Boom. That looks good. This is the lower body. The details are amazing. I don't know if y'all can make that out on here or see it or whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, from the side, plug him in. Boom. Wow, this looks so good. Looks so good. Okay, so I believe this is what plugs into here. I think it's on me whether I want to use this stand or the other stand. Now, where does this go? So at the bottom there's an opening right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Right there. Boom. So not really sure. No. Okay. Did I do this correctly? Check me out. This is kind of awkward. That is a weird spot to plug this in. This is so big pause. No offense. Sheesh. Alright, that's cool. And this one, I guess, is to hold up the rest of the body. Not so sure. I guess it goes right here. Okay, his knee goes right there. It supports the knee. That's what that is. All right, not bad, not bad. I like the attention to detail. That fits right into his quads. Man, these are goals right here, man. I'm gonna work out so hard one day. I really want to look like an anime character, you know? Just keep going harder. Yeah, that looks good. Boom. That's fire. I'm gonna zoom in on that boy. Show y'all what's going on. That looks really good. That's so dope. Now I want to swap him and... Nah, I'm gonna swap Ujiro. You're gonna go over here, player. I'm gonna swap you with Baki, if you can even fit here. I want Baki to go up against, yeah, gonna put you right there, player. Yep, that'll work. Why not? Hanayama, homie Baki. Y'all gonna go at it. That's kind of whack. Yeah, Baki, we're gonna have to have you show your back or whatever the hell. That's what it is. That's what we doing. Nigga, man. Yep. Ogre's is gonna watch BROLY damn near destroy his own son. That's how we rocking. Baki and the homie BROLY. That's dope. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and segue right into the Funko Pops and start talking about these. But my daughter wants to join me, so I'm going to have to wait until, you know, me and her link up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just transition over to the next day.